Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. I am Saeed Hassan and this is bus tutorial by Saeed Hassan. Today we are making a video regarding the Smart Pls Quantitative. We are doing a series over here. So this video would be quite comprehensive in this regard because I have been asked by research scholars and students, and I'm making this tutorial for the benefit of these students. So what would be in this video, let me discuss with you. This is our model we were discussing, and these are the main points we are going to discuss in this video and upcoming videos. And I will try that I will make some short videos so that you may understand what we are discussing over here. So in most of the quantitative part, this is the part of the research paper. First of all, you discuss about demographics, then you you will make a table regarding the correlation and descriptive statistics. Then coming towards HTMT, this is the heterotrait and monotrait ratio. This table you would you will show over there in your research paper, and then you would comment on that what data you have according to your data. Then you would made a measurement model of your paper, of your quantitative analysis, and then you would make a table of path coefficients, then R square, then F square, then blindfolding, then you would make a model fit, then SRMR, and then in last you can mention specific indirect effects. These are the main I'm going to discuss with you. You can also mention the blindfolding as well, and in SRMR and model fit you can add some extra. I will discuss you in coming video, and I will discuss with you. So let's proceed toward the Smart Pls. This is the model right now. So right now we are going to discuss about the correlation and descriptives. So how you can you just have to mention this all has been set. You just have to click on this Pls SEM algorithm, and it's all fine. You take path, standardized coefficient is state as it is, and then you would press start calculation. Then it would take some time, and it will fetch all the reports over here. You can see that these are the path coefficients in matrix form. You can see that, and these are the indirect effects, and you can see the total effects over here, and you can see the specific indirect effect over here. You can see that all these tables are mentioned over here. This is the most important part I'm going to discuss with you. These are the outer loadings. You can see over here. These are this is in the matrix form, and this is in the list form. So what would be you be doing right now, because you can see that there are some quantities which are good, which are some loadings which are above 0.7. They have Smart Pls has mentioned green color, and that's just fine, it's acceptable. And which are below 0.7, it has marked them red. So these are the criteria. So what you can do with it, you can see right now you can just note it down. What you would do right now, just note it down over here in notes. You can we just mention over here. You can just mention over here what we have. We have CE, that is the customer engagement. CE number 1, that is points, its value is 0.6623. okay, and then CE4, its value is 0.672, 0.672, and then afterwards it's CE5. What its value is? Its value is 0.487. All good. All others are good. Let me see once again. There is another PV4. value is 0.650. Okay, all other are good. There is no issues with the other loadings. Other loadings are quite good. Okay, good enough. Let's proceed. Let's see our quality statistics over here. You can see all is good over here, and model fit is also good. Okay, so this you can see that all the results over here, and you just have to copy over here and paste it in the Excel format, and you can make table according to the APA format which is recommended for it. Okay, what we gonna be doing right now for the correction, what we do, we have note down all the statuses over here in sticky notes. What we are going to do right now, we are going to delete. Okay, I'm going to press okay, this is the model. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to delete this CE1, that is customer engagement. CE1 I have pressed it, and CE4 I have again pressed it, and CE5 holding shift, and then I pressed delete, so it's deleted. Okay, and what's next? PV4, but we have P4 over here. Yes, I'm going to press delete. It's all good right now, looks good right now. We are going to start calculation. It's just stayed as it is and proceed towards. So let's proceed towards the results. Results are over here. Let us check the outer loadings. Outer loadings are over here in metric form. It's all good. It's all good. Yes. Okay guys, this is over here. You can see all the loadings are very good. So let's proceed towards the quality criteria. You can see over here quality is also good. Okay, let's see over here, construct reliability and validity, it's all good. You can just stay with it. Okay, this is CE customer engagement ground back alpha is around about 0.7, so you can say in your report that it's also 0.7, so it's all good. But you can say over here, what you can see about discriminant validity, it's heterotreatment rate, it's also good. Okay, this is model fit over here, it's also good. Okay, so this was all guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. So like, share, comment and subscribe. Hopefully this would be helpful for you. So if you get any help from here, because these are the paid software and paid content which I am bringing to you for free. So do like, share, subscribe and share my video with your friends and students who need it. So guys, thank you very much, take care, and Allah Hafiz.